Hello all, now I am continuing my video lecture based upon Java. Now it's an OOPS concepts: object, class, encapsulation, abstractions, inheritance and polymorphism. We are continuing this video. What object and class means? Object means it is a data plus function. We are using a real world entity plus data plus a function is using as an object. Person, place, table or all are the objects. Class means common properties and common behavior is an class. User defined data type, data plus functions, instance of class is an object, blueprint for an object is called as class. For example, we are having an apple and orange, attributes are weight and price, and then actions is cost, and then here also the attributes are weight and price and action is cost. Access specifier means we are having a three access specifier: private, public, protector. In this class, in a class, private means it is a non-accessible outside the class. It is non-accessible outside the class. Protected means accessible to derived class. Public means accessible to outside the world. Whoever want, they are using a public to use the status. Encapsulation means wrapping up data and functions together in a single unit is called encapsulation. How the capsules will be holding the preparation of methods is using encapsulations. Data is doesn't having direct access, through object it will be accessed. Data hiding and information hiding is an encapsulation. Here encapsulation methods and variables inside the class is an encapsulations. Wrapping up data and functions together in a single unit is called an encapsulations. And data does not have direct access. Data hiding or information hiding is an encapsulations. Methods and variables inside the class is also known as encapsulations. And then data abstraction, it is an essential feature. Background and internal details are not shown. Essential class is an essential feature. Data member and member functions. Interface is an 100% abstractions, abstract classes. Without by using, we are having a mobile phone here. Encapsulation means it is an inside the outer module, it is an encapsulation. Outer module is an abstractions. By using here, we are having a car, for example. Outer side of the car is an using abstractions. Interior for mechanic, is there any problem? The mechanical shows mechanical seen the inside the part of the car, so it is without abstractions. And then inheritance. One class can inherit the properties of another class is called an inheritance. If you are having one child for one parent, one class can inherit the properties of another class. Reusability. Java does not support multiple or ambiguity. If you are having it supports the multiple childs, it is having an ambiguity problems or hybrid inheritance too. Here for father and mother it is one single child. Here inheritance means if you are having a bird, it is a subclass. For bird it is a color or fly or tweet is a superclass. Subclass is an parrot. And then polymorphism is poly means many, morphism is multiple forms, ability to take more than one forms. Example: plus, addition of two integers, addition of decimal for number format numbers, float, for example float, concatenation of two strings. Two way of polymorphism is function overloading and operator overloading. Here a man is an main person. Man is an act as an employee role and father role and then also husband role. It is an polymorphism. We are seeing, I am going to recap my video lecture. Now we are going to see about an OOP concept: object, class, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. Object and classes means object is a data plus function is a real world entity. Person, place, table is an object. Class means it is a user defined data type. Data and functions. Instance of class is also an object. Blueprint of an object is called as a class. Here I have an example: apple and orange. Attributes are weight and price. Actions are cost. In this access specifier, in class access specifiers are public, protected and private. non-accessible outside, not accessible outside the class, accessible to derived classes, accessible to outside the classes. Thank you.